Okay, we're here looking at CARLA version 0910 again, and we're here in the spectator view. So we're looking at the world. We can kind of fly around, look at from a different perspective, and see here we're looking down on the road. And so today we're going to show a client. So to begin, the CARLA world is the server, and now we're going to start a client in that world, which is a vehicle. So you can see we've got this cool Audi here. We can kind of get a in-car view, or we can go get an up-front view. We can get back to our bird's eye view here. Now I'm going to remember to take off parking brake and do a little driving around here. So if you notice, I'm over here by the gas station. So my goal, this thing's fast. Goal is to go um, over to the statue park. Oh, where my world view is. I'm not the best pilot, but I believe over here, and there I am. So if we go back to the client for a second, we can see that I am driving around in that vehicle here. So I'm here in the neighborhood. Okay. So again, we have this client server relationship, which allows us to look at these autonomous behaviors. That brings us to, I was driving manually, but now that I'm seeing her in the road, I'm going to get back into the proper lane. Once I get into the lane I want to be in, I'm going to start the autopilot. You can see now much better performance. I have an automated driving behavior based on a set of simulated sensors. So one, from the client view, you can see some of the sensor data here. You can also see the sensor information in the view we're using by toggling through the different camera views. So I'm going to go kind of quickly, but we can see there's depth camera. That one doesn't give you a lot of information. This one's a little too dark, but this logarithmic depth camera view kind of shows you we can simulate depth data from camera feed. Also, we can, through certain algorithms, do segmentation through camera data. So this is determining which objects are which through different pixels. And we can also look at the LiDAR scans. And these are really hard to understand as a human, but here the robot is receiving a series of LiDAR scans that are used to do actually a good portion of the 2D navigation is commonly done in autonomous vehicles. So we can kind of see here a compilation of that data in the 3D view, and we'll scan back to our typical RGB view here. So actually, it's a little hard to see. We're in the tunnel here, so we'll go down into our front view or side view here of our car and watch as we drive out through the tunnel. So if we go back one more time to our world view, we can see that our car should be exiting over here at some point if I have my bearings correct. Let's see. Oh, looks like we've stopped at the red light there. So there we are, driving along. There we go. There, we put this right over here. Okay, that's just a brief demonstration of CARLA from the client view side. Thanks for watching.